So I will write a program which will allow the user to input any set of numbers that include both positive and negative data values, reading these values one at a time and count the number of positive values, including zero values, and the number of negative values found in the set, as well as the number of odd and even numbers. After the record values are determined, print out these counted values on the screen. We are required to design a function getValueStringUserPrompt that accepts string user prompt and returns the inputted value back to the calling function. Design a function determined with parameters which will count the number of positive and negative data values found in the number of odd and even numbers. Incorporate this function in main. So I will show you my program. So this is the program I came up with po. So ito po yung una kong function na string prompt para sa enter how many numbers to input in. Tapos int po ginamit kasi i-input ka kung ilan numbers, kung ilan mo beses uulitin. So kailangan integers, kaya po int. And dito po tayo sa get value string prompt. I came up with a variable int value, then cout the prompt cin value and return the value to the get value. Then bago po pala yun, gumawa ako ng variable na magka-correspond para sa string prompt natin. Tapos ito naman itong int get n is the conditions. Ito. And int get n. Kaya naman int kasi ang record po sa problem ay i-display kung ilan beses lumabas yung odd, even, positive, or negative. So int I declare variable n times for how many times it will for the number to enter the condition. Tapos gumawa po ako ng for loop yan. Tapos ito yung conditions. If number is greater than 0, it will be positive, so I will increment positive by 1. Or else if number is less than 0, negative, and it will increment negative by 1. The other even condition, if number is module 2, which is the number will be divided by 2 and it will get the remainder. Then after the remainder is taken, it will compare if it is a 0. If it is a 0, it will be an even number, so even will be increment by 1. Else odd will be increment by 1. So that's my function in get this one. So this line is just displaying the corresponding conditions. Cout positive numbers, how many positive numbers it will display. So cout positive number in this positive number, negative, then make the negative increment the odd numbers, the else, and then the even numbers here. So that's it. I didn't explain it very well, but I think it would suffice. Thank you.